Hi there guys, so welcome back to the channel. As proposed yesterday, I'm going to try and do daily updates on where the market is and what I'm doing and what I am trading. So currently at the moment I'm looking at ETH. Just zoom out on the 1 hour. So currently we are looking at some order blocks at around the 2080 area and some heavy buyers coming in at 2065. So naturally that will push the price up. However, with order blocks, you tend to find that traders will go for where all the buyers are. So obviously these order blocks are below the price, so the tendency would be to sell back down to those two prices, and then equally this will actually create order blocks at the top of the price, again at about where we are right now. Now if we go down to the market cipher wave, so market cipher B, you can see we did have some red dots and the price came down yesterday, but I did say the market was looking more bullish. So we had this bullish divergence where the price was going, so momentum was going up and the price was coming down, and sure enough it was a bullish divergence, so up around 1.25% on the day. So I would be looking at now, I'm not currently in a trade, but I would be looking at now for some kind of red dot or something above the price. The RSI is quite high on the 1 hour and the momentum wave is starting to curve over. So if we start getting these red dots on market cipher B, then that would suggest to me that the price may come down today. I wouldn't say it would come down any further than 2064, so 2064 on ETH. I would suggest that it would come down and then bounce and take a position back to the upside. Now there is sentiment that we will go up to the 2300 area. So if I look at the 2 hour time frame, we are looking at a slight resistance at the 2147 area, which was a previous order block, but nothing more above that. And again on the 2 hour we're looking at 2065 as the potential buying area. So that's what I'm looking at the moment. Like I say, it's more bullish than bearish at the moment, with a slight chance of a pullback to 2065 before we go back up in the markets. If I go over to Bitcoin and have a look at the similar story, we could see a pullback down to 28229 on Bitcoin. Let me just check the USD side of it. Again, similar price, 28227. Before we go back up, but it is again looking more bullish. The RSI is quite high, the VWAP is high and it's above the zero line, and we're just about to pull the momentum wave to the upside. So again we're looking like more bullish activity on Bitcoin. If you like these types of videos and they're popular, I will slowly move over to live streams. I'd like the idea of doing 1 to 2 hour sessions where I'm just reading the markets and actually taking trades. Now I am going to pull over this window. There is a slight sell-off position that I've just taken. I've taken a short with the potential on Dydex to head down to that 2065 price. So we stick that on the 1 hour. So the 2065 price is in this area. So if we go back to the other window, so back on Ethereum, you can see that the price is, or could head down to 2065. So back to Dydex. So the 2065 is in this area, so I'm going to do a horizontal ray just to mark out that price. So 2065, that is my target price today. So the price may come down to 2065 before again bouncing back to the upside. I have already taken a few scalp trades today on $500 up, and I'd like to share the portfolio balance. So on this particular account I started off with just $500. I moved the market up to just under $13,000. It was actually just over $13,500 before taking the profit out. I then put 4,000 back in and moved the market up to 5,200, which just nipped it there. I'll show you, there you go, 5,255 before taking the profit out, and then I've gone back in with the 5,000, which is what my starting point is right now. Again, starting off with just $500. So if you'd like to see and follow how I do this, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell more importantly so that you get the updates to these videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.